History. Cadillac, one of the most prestigious names in the automotive industry, has a rich history that dates back to its inception in 1902 by Henry Leland. Named after the French explorer Antoine Laumet de Mothe, Sieur de Cadillac, the brand aimed to embody luxury, precision, and innovation from the very beginning. Henry Leland, known for his expertise in precision engineering and manufacturing, played a pivotal role in the early success of Cadillac. The brand introduced several groundbreaking innovations, most notably the electric starter motor and the use of interchangeable parts in car manufacturing. These innovations not only set Cadillac apart, but also became industry standards. Gaining success, Cadillac quickly gained recognition for producing some of the world's finest automobiles. In 1915, the brand introduced its V8 engine, setting a new standard for power and performance. This innovation led to Cadillac becoming the first American automaker to win the prestigious Dewar Trophy for engineering excellence. Throughout the 20th century, Cadillac maintained its reputation for luxury and innovation. Iconic models like the Cadillac Eldorado, Fleetwood, and DeVille became symbols of automotive excellence. The brand's commitment to quality and design also attracted celebrities, making Cadillac a status symbol. Current status. Today, Cadillac is a division of General Motors (GM) and continues to uphold its legacy of luxury and innovation. With a focus on advanced technology, Cadillac is at the forefront of electric and autonomous vehicle development. As of 2021, Cadillac's estimated brand value was approximately $8.4 billion, making it one of the most valuable luxury car brands globally. The brand's commitment to sustainability is evident in its plans to transition to an all-electric lineup by 2030. In the current era, Cadillac's lineup includes a range of luxury SUVs and sedans, such as the Cadillac XT6, Cadillac CT5, and the upcoming all-electric Cadillac Lyriq. These vehicles combine cutting-edge technology with the brand's signature craftsmanship, making Cadillac one of the most renowned luxury car manufacturing companies.